Hello, viewers, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. Let us continue to take a look on what is happening in the nation Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. So, at this point in time, we are taking a look on what is happening in the Mtukudzi family. Daisy, or Daisy Mtukudzi, was involved in a car crash, and a lot of opinions have been raised. Nozoti maZimbabweans umwe nomwe ari kungotaura zvake. Daisy is not likable due to what he did to the girls, and everybody who is a favorite of Soma Mtukudzi and Sandra, they are actually making sure that they give hard times to Daisy Mtukudzi. Comrade Never Maswerasei says ndakakuudzai kuti muchakabva ari kupfuka ngozi. Of course, there will be a scapegoat explanations on accident, causes, etc. But moto wacho uchanetsa kudzimura. So we need to take a look onto the abilities dzekuti maybe ingava ngozi iri kumuka kuna Daisy. Is it Oliver Mtukudzi is now? Handizi kuti inonzi chii in English. Oliver angadai here akumuka ngozi kana kuti akumuka chipoko, or is his spirit coming to avenge on Daisy? So you know, a lot of sympathy was given to Selma and yes, sister, because they got nothing from their father. I've seen a lot of people on Wachiti, they were old enough to have their own families, saying Oliver Shanda Chandravana, they are benefiting from the estate the same way Vana Sandra were supposed to be benefiting. I agree. Baba, if I work for my children. So this is the original issue right here. Yakapostwa on 3 October. Yainzi muchakabva anozviziva kuti akararama achimbunyikidzwa. Mheremhere yese iyi kutanga kwayo ndiko kunonzi kumuka ngozi kana paine asingazive. Pari kudiwa DNA apo, magweta makuru ngavabatsire mhuri yake chaiyo zvibude. Mweya wake hauzorore kana zvisina kubuda pachena. So I don't know, guys, for those who do zvinhu zvechivanhu, kuti how far true is it kuti munhu anogona kumuka ngozi amukira vana kuti vakambonyikidzwa kana kuti I do not know, because he was sick and he succumbed to that sickness. So itinozva ngozi dzichimuka pekuti waurayiwa. I don't know other circumstances. What are other circumstances dzekuti ngozi inge ichiuya? Also, ingozi here yakonzeresa kuti Daisy ende mutsaona. This accident, to me, it was a minor accident, not very, very big, which means we cannot give a clear conclusion to say ingozi kana kuti haisi. Maybe we have to wait to know other events dzichiuya kuti dzinofamba sei. So it's not about liking Daisy or not, but I don't know, guys, your opinion. Tingati ingozi here kana kuti kungoitikawo kwazvaitika. So Daisy akapiwa zita rekuti stepmother venyika, and that is her new name. I do not know, guys, if you agree with that new name, but those that are disagreed with how he held he held the issue of the estate of the late husband. Other people are saying will kwakosina, other people are saying will rakazouya ndere bogus whatsoever. So the girls confirmed that he was busy building up an estate. But this is the advice to Zimbabwean and Zimbabwean women. It's better for you to have a trust and have your children as trustees, as beneficiaries. Have a trust, have your children as beneficiaries. Even your wife can be a beneficiary to trust. Zvakuenda nokuti uyo ari kubenefita to what extent. Kuna anenge achibenefitawo zvakakura, kuna anenge achibenefitawo zvishoma. It depends with your own discretion. But when there is a trouble, I don't see the need yekuti muzomhanya kuzonobuilda up trust makuda kuenda kana kuti makuda kufa kana kuti makurwara, do it now. Anybody can build up a trust and unenge une pekutangira. So this is a simple advice to our fellow Zimbabweans. Even uri mukadzi, encourage varume venyu kuva nematrust, especially in circumstances dzekuti you know kuti munogona kufa mese, kana kuti iwo unogona, murume anogona kufa, mhuri ikazosara ichikumbonyikidza, etc. Build a trust inosimudzwa nemurume wako, then you are added as a beneficiary together with the children. So zvakanakira ndezvekuti you always benefit from that trust. Uye kana ngatiti murume afa, mune maproperties kana kuti dzimba 10, hakuna anokwanisa individually kuenda kunotengesa imba kuti tafunga kutengesa imba. No, because it's something which was left in the trust. Chichafanira kubetsera nevazukuru vanozouya, unless agreed upon, ma-legal steps atorwa ese to sell that property. Saka you never have a problem yekuti umwe nomwe anosara achiita zvake mazvake. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. This is the story which we have at this point in time. Other people vanobhelievha zvechivanhu vari kuti these are warning shots kuna Daisy Mtukudzi. So we'll be waiting to see what is going to happen from now going forward. Thank you very much, everybody. Let me see if I can take some comments right here. Tsitsi, okay. Hanzi zvamunowana kuda zvemahara. She's very arrogant. Okay. So thank you very much, Tsitsi, for this contribution. Inozati motikari dzemahara dzagara dzine njodzi. Sometimes dzinogona kusatombowa njodzi yengozi, but iri njodzi yekuti wakaiwana sei motikari yacho. Temba, how are you, my brother? Thank you very much for coming. Swongile, how are you? I'm okay from this side. Lucia says, blessed evening, African Beyond. Okay. So thank you very much for this contribution. You are agreeing with this point. Okay. So let us do good while we are still alive. So an accident is an accident. She's an evil woman. Okay. So I think Zimbabweans are agreeing in terms of her evilness. They are agreeing. And, those are really... So Team Zimbabwe, I don't want to take much of your time. Our network is quite slow. So we are facing network challenges, but we have an alternative all the way coming. And we hope an improvement will be seen as soon as we manage to upgrade. So thank you very much, everybody, for the support you have been offering to us. And let us continue to pray for Zimbabwe. Let us continue to pray for a God-fearing leadership. Thank you very much, everyone.